So, my dear students, this is lecture number 8 for mathematics class 8. In my lecture number 7, I wrote this thing over here, number system, and you know it very well. You see, base 10 system, base 2 system, base 5 system, base 8 system, in the same way, base 16 system. Exercise 2.1, page 26. You have already done some questions where I taught you how to convert base 2 into base 10 and base 10 into base 2. You know it. Remember my lecture when I was teaching you computer? So I taught you these all the things in detail during my lecture of subject computer. Now have a look. Question 11. We have already done question 10. That's finished. Convert decimal number into base 5 system. It's all. You have done that. And I gave you homework. You see? You have already done that. Base 5 system. Convert decimal number into base 5 system. 8. How you will convert that? 8 divided by 5. 5 on the 5. 3. Remainder 3 left. MSB, LSB, that's MSB, that's LSB, most significant bit, least significant bit, 1 3. So decimal number 8 is equal to 1 3 base 5. Verification. You know it very well. That's why I wrote your homework over here. Homework. You will have to solve these questions by yourself and complete exercise 2.1 and exercise 2.2. You can do it. No problem at all. Examples and questions and explanations already over here. Decimal number 17, what will be its equivalent in base 5? So 17 will be divided by 5. 5 3 15, 2 left, MSB, LSB, answer 3 2 base 5. In the same way, 256 is a decimal number. What will be its equivalent in base 5? See my calculation. I hope you will complete exercise 2.1 and exercise 2.2 as your homework. Understand? And now start off exercise 2.3. Page 32 of your mathematics book. Page Page number 32. Addition and subtraction in base 5. I am solving question number 1 in front of you. Pay your attention. 1, 3. We will not say 13. It's not 13. It's 1, 3 base 5. Plus 1, 4 base 5. How will you do that? Look at the board. 1, 3 base 5. 1, 4 base 5. Plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. We will not write 7 over here because it's base 5. So take out 5. Take out 5. Left 2. And you took out 5. It will go to left hand side, carry 1. Always remember, in base power 5, when you will do addition and left 5, it will go left hand side in the shape of carry 1. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 over here and carry 1. See, carry 1. It will come over here. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. Answer 3 to base power 5. Question 3. 1 to 3 base power 5 plus 3, 3, 0 base power 5. 3 plus 0, 3. We won't do anything. 2 plus 3, 5. See? We will not take 5. This 5 will go to left hand side. So it will be 0 over here. Again, 3 plus 0, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. But we will not write 5 over there because 5 will go in the form of carry 1. It will be 0. Carry 1, 2 and 3. Again 5. We will not write 5. We will not write 5. 0 and that 5 will be carry 1. It's over here. So answer will be 1, 0, 0, 3 base power 5. I hope you understand that. Do at least 4-5 questions. Try by yourself. 4 questions, 5 questions, and let me know. I will see the comments written by you. If you will not understand, I will do it again and again. Inshallah, you will learn it very soon. Try your best. Dear student, now open your book of mathematics. Open it. Page 41. Exercise 2.3. Topic is subtraction in base 5. If you will understand one question only, see, this is what I am telling you. If you understand one question only one, then you can do all of the questions in this exercise. I will solve it in front of you. Pay your full attention. 3 base power 5 minus 2 base power 5. Very easy, nothing. 3, 2 minus sign, subtract 2 from 3, 1 base power 5, answer. Why I did it? Because we will start step by step. Easy question? Now, question number 14. I left question 12 and question 13 for you to do it. You see what I am saying? Question 14, very important. Four two base 5 minus 3 base 5. How we will do it? First of all, we will subtract 3 from 2. We cannot do that. Why? It's big, it is small. So, take one carry from over here. What I am saying? Take one carry. If you will take one carry from here, it will be 3. And one carry, when you will go from left hand side to right hand side, it will be 5. The carry will come 1, but it will be in the form of 5. Why? Because it's base 5. So here 3, it will be 3, and one carry will be 5. 1 is equal to 5. Remember this thing. When this 5 will come over here, 2 is already over there. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Subtract 3 from 7. Answer is 4. Here 3 only. 3 minus 3, 0. So answer is 4 base power 5. Understand? Okay, next question. Question 15. 431 base power 5 minus 214 base power 5. In the same way, 1 is small, 4 big. Take 1 from over here. If we will take 1 equal to 5. This 5 will come over here. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 4, 2. Here 2, because you have already given 1. So left 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. Answer is 2, 1, 2, base power 5. Question 16. 3, 4, 1, base power 5 minus 2, 1, 2, base power 5. I hope you understand now. So, one, two, you cannot subtract. One is small and 2 is big. So take one carry from left hand side. This carry will be equal to 5. You will take 1 from 4. It will be 3 over here. And 1 will be 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. Here 3. 3 minus 1, 2. Here 3 minus 2, 1. Answer is 1, 2, 4, base power 5. Next question. 17. Try to understand it. 4000 minus 2222. Understand? See, I wrote everything over here. Everything over here. Just concentrate upon this calculation. You will understand that. See, the red digits 4, 4, 5. From where they came? I told you the logic. You can do it. This is the answer. Okay? Now, question number 9. It will be done in 2 steps. Why? The reason is that number 1. 3, 4, 1 base power 5 plus 2, 3, 4 base power 5 minus 3, 4, 2 base power 5. 2 steps. Number 1. 3, 4, 1 base power 5 minus 2, 3, 4. Do it as step 1. I have done it. This is the answer of step number 1. Step 2, from this thing, 1130 minus 342 base 5. 342 base 5. Then I don't need to let you know how I did it, because I have already explained all the things in very detail. Dear students, this is the answer. Should I ask you for some homework? Well, the homework is still over there. First of all, you do that. After doing that, take rest. When you feel yourself fresh, then complete the rest of the questions in exercise 2.3, page 41. If you think that I am running fast, let me know. The reason is very simple. Questions are easy. That's why I am running a little bit fast. I hope you understand that. If it would be difficult, then I will have to pay more and more time towards them. Okay? Dear students, good luck.